We're doing a veggie casserole. This one is a recipe I got from a family friend named Lee. This casserole has some spinach in it. Spinach is one of the higher vegetables, and one of the vegetables that is higher in protein. It is about 10 grams of protein for frozen spinach. So if you have a lower tolerance, just beware. You might want to keep the serving sizes small, or avoid the recipe altogether. But anyway, I have the spinach in the casserole. It's all flattened out and spread up. Now, and this is 2 packages of frozen spinach. If you have a bigger casserole dish, you can use 4. These are 10-ounce packages, I think. Yeah, they're about 10 ounces per package. So I actually could have done a double dose. Now, this is cream cheese. The cream cheese should be pretty soft now since it's been out for a while. So we're going to dump that out onto the spinach. And we're going to spread that out. This again, but the person who gave us this recipe, this was the best thing he got out of his doors. To know about me, if you watch my channel, is that I am a cheese nub. This is Nancy's. I'm not sure on unrounded protein on it, but it does say on the package. I'm not sure if we have this one or not, but I could request it. This one is, 1 gram of protein per serving, which is generally about 2 grams, 2 tablespoons. And you can see we're using a lot more. We will be doing another layer of the cream cheese also. And there's also Daiya as a cream cheese, and so does Violife. And Violife tends to be one of the lower ones, and so does Daiya. There's also, if you're a fan, Tofutis. For those on a low protein diet. You can use the medical protein, the medical cheeses, it just doesn't melt, which is one of the problems with medical cheese and why I don't use it. Next, we're putting in broccoli. So, put on the broccoli, and basically this is dumped. Never hurts to have the extra liquid. This will go, so this will cook, the liquid's going to cook down once we get in the oven anyway, and so just to keep it moist. There's the broccoli. And I'm gonna kind of spread this out. I wish this one had higher edges because I gotta still have one more layer of, and that one's gonna be artichokes. And we gotta get some cheese in here too. And just spread that out. Now you can do this without one of the veggies too. There's plenty of vegetables in this. You can, for instance, cut out the spinach, but it would change it. Just you can sub out something else too. But I don't have any suggestions there. This is always the way I've done it. Now, one thing I did have to chop up was some garlic. And there is about 29 grams of garlic I'm using in this. It is not normally in it, but I love my garlic. And that's the oven. So the garlic I have finely minced. I do use peeled garlic. Friends don't let friends peel garlic is my saying. I am not a fan of peeling garlic, so I buy it already peeled. I don't get the jar. I do get the fresh kind. I just get it peeled. And they sell it that way in the frozen food section. It's normally refrigerated. Peeled garlic does not last as long as it does with the skin on, because as you can imagine, we're taking off the skin. So now, artichoke hearts. This is where I am going to drain some. And so, if you have tin foil, use it, because it does help with the cheese. Especially if you're using real cheese. I, for one, have to use the plant-based cheeses because of the protein issue. So, back again, I found the garlic. It was hiding underneath my cheese. So, this is the garlic. It's 29 grams of garlic that I have, and this is diced garlic. Chopped it up before I came on. And so, this isn't something that is normally in it. This is my own addition. Don't like garlic, can't have it, leave it out. It's one of two things I've added. The other one is spinach and garlic. Spinach and vinegar are married for me, kind of like peanut butter and jelly. And so I always, when I serve this, I put red wine vinegar on it. So now for the cheese. This is the last thing I'm adding on. Can't get enough cheese. And I'm out of tin foil. I didn't have any, so I don't normally use a whole lot of tin foil. I am going to put some more of this one on. This is Daya's new Italian cheese. And it's an oat milk cheese. A lot more finely chopped, grated cheese. Because these do, I think, come from a block. But this is a very finely chopped cheese. Okay. That's about as good as I get, and it's probably going to overflow onto the oven. So I'm just going to put this in the oven. It bakes at 350 for about 10 minutes or until the cheese melts. And once the cheese melts, it's ready to go. And so if you like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.